Place pieces of strawberries into an egg carton, filling a few of the slots. Then cover everything with soil, lightly sprinkle with ash, and mist with water. After a short time, you will see your own strawberry seedlings starting to grow. It is a simple way to enjoy fresh fruit straight from your own garden. These worms are hiding in your strawberries. Put strawberries in water and add one ingredient. Everyone will ask why your strawberries are so sweet and stay fresh for so long. Additionally, you'll get rid of bugs and mold spores. The strawberries will be sweeter and stay fresh longer. Usually, we bring strawberries home, rinse them with water, and start enjoying them. It should be done differently. First, get a bowl. Fill it with water and place the strawberries in it. Now you have two options. One is to add salt. Don't worry, the strawberries won't taste salty. Almost everyone knows that salt enhances sweetness. Thanks to salt, everything tastes sweeter, even strawberries. But that's not the main reason we soak strawberries in salt. Wait for about 15 minutes. After this time, look in the bowl and at your strawberries. If there were bugs in the strawberries, they will come out. If there weren't any, you'll just see dirt in the bowl. Rinse the strawberries thoroughly with clean water and put them in a serving bowl. The second method is to add apple cider vinegar to the water with the strawberries. This will not only get rid of bugs, but also mold spores. This way, your strawberries will stay fresh much longer. Just like with the first trick, rinse the strawberries thoroughly with clean water before eating them. These cucumber seeds sprout in just a few days. Prepare an egg carton, preferably paper, as it is biodegradable and perfect for sowing. Cut it in half and keep the part with the egg compartments. Then take cucumber seeds. They are quite small, so planting them individually can be difficult and easy to lose. Place 3 seeds in each section. This is a simple trick to grow cucumber seedlings without pots. It increases the chance that at least one strong seedling will grow in each spot. Let us know where you are watching from. Now, cover everything with soil. This is a simple way to plant cucumbers from seeds at home without special containers. Sprinkle a bit of ash, which naturally supports plant growth and provides minerals. Finally, water regularly, keeping the soil moist but not wet. After just a few days, you will see the first sprouts. This is an easy way if you are wondering how to speed up cucumber germination. The seedlings will grow fast and healthy. It is a great eco-friendly way to start cucumbers without using plastic. This secret was revealed to me by a gardener friend. Start by properly preparing the soil. For this, you'll use wood ash. It's a natural fertilizer rich in minerals, improving soil structure and aiding seed germination. Mix the soil with the ash. Add a little water to make the soil slightly moist and compact. Now, prepare some bubble wrap. Cut a long rectangular piece about 30 centimeters wide. Lay the bubble wrap flat and spread the soil with ash on top, creating a thin layer. Start rolling the wrap with the soil, forming a roll. Then, secure the roll with a rubber band to keep everything stable. Now, it's time for the seeds. You can use vegetable, herb, or flower seeds. Place the seeds on the top layer of soil, gently pressing them in, and then cover with a thin layer of soil. Finally, water it to keep the soil moist. Thanks to the bubble wrap, moisture is trapped inside the roll, and the air bubbles act like a mini greenhouse. They protect, warm, and speed up growth. When the plants grow, simply unroll and transplant them. It's an inexpensive and effective way to start seedlings at home, perfect for anyone looking to grow strong, healthy plants. Seeds can sprout in 24 hours. This method works well with many different types of seeds. Prepare a tall container and pour in 250 milliliters of warm water. Add 1 small teaspoon of granulated garlic. Garlic has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It helps protect seeds from diseases and prevents them from rotting. Mix everything well and strain it through gauze. Put a few seeds into a container and pour the prepared liquid over them. After a few hours, drain the seeds and rinse them with lukewarm water. Place them on a paper towel. Put 1 chamomile tea bag into a glass and brew it. When the infusion cools, pour it into a spray bottle and close it. Spray the seeds with it. Then place the seeds in a Ziploc bag and seal it tightly. The sealed bag keeps the moisture inside and creates the right microclimate, showing how to speed up seed germination at home. If you notice the seeds drying out, spray them again with the chamomile tea. You will see how quickly they start to sprout. It is an inexpensive way to produce seedlings and grow many healthy plants at the same time. A few drops will make strong and healthy seedlings grow from the seeds. This green rooting hormone will even stimulate old seeds to sprout. The plants will grow strong and healthy. All you need is to provide the seeds with one natural substance. You can prepare it yourself at home. You need aloe for it. It's an exceptional plant. Its leaf juice has antibacterial and antifungal properties. Thanks to this, the seeds germinate better. Take a smaller aloe leaf, cut it into smaller pieces. Aloe contains plenty of vitamins and micro and macro elements. They have a positive effect even on old seeds. Transfer the chopped leaf to a small blender. Pour about 1 glass of water. Turn on the blender and blend the aloe. In combination with water, it will be perfect for the seeds. Prepare a container with a capacity of about 1 glass and a strainer. Drain the water from the aloe. This way, you will get a fertilizer that contains valuable substances. Prepare a container with a lid. Line it with a paper towel. Moisten the towel with the green rooting hormone using a spoon. Sprinkle the seeds. I'm sowing tomatoes right now, but it can be any seeds. Close the container, and it's ready. Put it in a warm and sunny place. Regularly moisten the towel. After a few days, the seeds will start to sprout. You can also see how cabbage vegetables germinate. They are already perfect for pricking out. If you know how to stimulate seeds and how, you will have strong and healthy seedlings. Stick a toothpick into a clove of garlic. Insert a second one on the opposite side so it rests securely. Prepare a tall glass container and fill it with water. Place the garlic on the rim so the bottom lightly touches the water. Set it on a windowsill. After a few days, roots and green shoots will appear. Remember to refill the water. It is a quick and simple way to grow fresh garlic greens at home without taking up much space. Natural energy drops for abundant harvests and strong cucumber fruits. This is the best homemade fertilizer that will strengthen the plants and improve their resistance. Pour about 1 quart of water into a pot. It's best to use rainwater, which is natural, soft, and free from chlorine. Add 1 tablespoon of natural honey. Honey is a natural prebiotic that supports the growth of beneficial soil bacteria. It helps the roots absorb nutrients more efficiently, which speeds up plant growth. The next ingredient is iodine. Iodine has strong antiseptic properties. It protects cucumbers from fungi and bacteria, boosting their immunity. Add a few drops to the water. You can also add a bit of baking soda, which acts as a natural pH regulator for the soil. Mix everything vigorously to combine the ingredients and create an active solution. Water the cucumbers with this fertilizer once every 10 days, preferably in the morning or late afternoon. Thanks to this mixture, the soil becomes more fertile, the roots stronger, and the cucumbers firm and plump. This simple combination of natural ingredients acts as a growth booster. No chemicals, no costs, and a huge benefit for your garden.